Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by joining GTA Online and opening the in-game phone because the browser on the phone and your console connection determine available sites. Once in a session, press the phone key to access internet. Select the browser app and load the Maze Bank or in-game stores. Make sure your platform network status is healthy so purchases and mission sites load. If pages take long, wait 1 short minute. The game streams content from Rockstar servers and may lag if your connection fluctuates. Once done loading the browser, navigate to property and business sites to manage income streams. Buying a CEO office or bunker unlocks contracts and passive revenue. Use Maze Bank foreclosures to compare warehouses versus vehicle storage. Choose size and proximity to reduce travel time. For missions and content, open job listings like dock tees or biker pages. These give source missions and unlocks. Make sure to check prices and required rank. If you rush purchases, you might block capital that should fund necessary upgrades. To finish, confirm every transaction and let the game complete save routines so your new property or vehicle registers on Rockstar servers. Once done, equip necessary upgrades and schedule mission spawns. If pages fail to load or purchases time out, leave the session and rejoin a new server or restart your game and router. Clearing DNS or switching NAT type often fixes persistent load failures. Make sure to transfer cash to Maze Bank to prevent loss if other players attack you or you disconnect mid-transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.